To access your Maths toolset, select the Standard Tools button on the sidebar and from the pop-up menu, select Maths. As you can see, you still have access to some of your essential standard tools, but you now also have a huge selection of features to use specifically in your Maths class. Let's take a look at some of the features of the Numbers area. The first icon is the Numbers icon. Tap on this and you are able to drag numbers out of the number line and create larger numbers by joining them together. Expanding the Numbers tool gives you the options to use smaller and larger numbers, including decimal points. If we also now use the Symbols tool, you will be able to create sums when combining these two tools together. Drag out your numbers and find the symbol you wish to use, connect them together, and continue this until you have created your equation. Then add the equal sign to the end and you will see that a question mark will appear in a box. This enables you to reveal the answer, maybe after the class has tried to work it out themselves. Another great feature that is superb for visual learners is the Fractions tool. You can use this to work out sums using the existing fractions provided or creating a custom one yourself. You can combine the Fractions tool with the Symbols tool, and similarly, like what we've just seen with the numbers, you can create your own equation using fractions. After the answer has been given, it will automatically be simplified until its simplest form has been reached. Now with this answer, you can drag and drop it into either the pie chart or fraction bar area to see this visually. You can drop any fraction you like into the pie chart and fraction bar, maybe to help with simplifying fractions. Let's move into the measurement tools. There are some great aids here for everyday teaching, but we're going to look at the compass. Choose the radius you would like by either using the arrows or dragging the pencil left and right. To choose the colour, drag the pencil up and down. Release the pencil and your circle will automatically be created. If you want, you can now bring out the ruler, which is in the measurement tools, and you can get your students to measure the diameter and the circumference and check them by clicking on the information button. Within the geometry tools, there is a Prisms tool, which will allow you to study in depth the prisms and nets of different shapes. The other geometry tool we want to show you is the Shapes and Angles tool. This is great for learning about angles and how to measure them. Select the shape you would like to use, and you can drag the corners around the screen to amend the angle sizes. By default, the measurement will appear as a question mark in the value box and will be revealed when you click on the icon. Combining this with the protractor tool will provide an interactive way to learn about measuring angles and see if students are correct by revealing the correct value. Also included are 8 interactive games for the classroom to keep students collaborating.